Alright, so in my opinion, this is the hardest derivative rule that we're going to be learning this unit. I'm going to take it though that this video, this website I'm making this for, and this channel is mainly for people who are reviewing for the AP test, not learning this for the first time. If you are learning this for the first time, then this video might not completely leave you completely confident, because I'm kind of going to brush through it quickly. I don't really know how to explain this very well. It's something that kind of comes through practice, and some of you guys may understand this right away, and some of you guys might not. If you already taken Calc BC, then you probably already know what the chain rule is. You might not even be watching this video, but I'm going to go ahead and try to explain what the chain rule is. Chain rule is basically when there's a function inside another function. An example would be something like sine of x squared plus 2. Because this right here is a function, the x squared plus 2, and then sine of x is also a function. There's like a function inside a function. Let's do another example. Another example could be e to the x squared plus 5. There's a function right here, x squared plus 5, which I think you can see, and that's inside a function that's e to the x. If there was a question that said e to the cosine of x squared plus 2, then this is double chain rule, because there's a function inside a function inside a function, and you would use chain rule. You'd use double chain rule, and I'm not going to show you that, but I'm just saying that's what you would have to do. A lot of work. Basically, how you find the derivative of it, let me make sure I have the formal definition right here. D dx, the derivative in respect of x, of, you would write this as f of g of x. I think this is what confused me when I was first learning it, but it'll all make sense through practice, equals, and I'm going to write this down, and you might be a little confused, but just trust me on this one. So, if there's a function inside another function, then the derivative of it is going to be the derivative of the outside function, leaving the inside part in, times the derivative of the inside function. So basically what you're doing is you're treating this whole thing, I'll show you with an example, as if it's one big function. You're just going to take the normal derivative of it, but you're going to multiply it times the derivative of the thing that's on the inside. Okay, so let's do a quick example with the derivative in respect of x of sine of x squared plus 2. Okay. The inside function is x squared plus 2. The outside function is sine of x, which I guess would just be sine of x squared plus 2. So basically, you're going to start off by taking the derivative of the big thing and just keeping this on the inside. The derivative of sine of x is cosine of x, so this would be cosine, and just leave the thing on the inside, so it would be x squared plus 2. Then multiply it by the derivative of what's on the inside, which is just 2x. I'll put that over here because it looks nicer. And therefore, the derivative of sine of x squared plus 2 is 2x cosine x squared plus 2. I really hope you guys understood that.